Hi guys, it's Dallas with your 2-minute tip for today. So let's talk about basic chemistry. Yeah, I know you're probably going, why are we talking about chemistry that we learned in high school now on its 2-minute tip? Well, I'll tell you why. Private label extensions, we recommend that when you're using our extensions or our wigs, we're asking that you shampoo and condition the hair first to set you up for success before you put it on your customer's head. And so before you start to style that, there are some things that you're going to need to help guide you there. And that is when you're using styling products. In the beginning, when it's wet, you want to use products that are hydrophilic, which is it has a hydrophilic head and a lipophilic tail. So that means it's water loving. So it's wet and it's going to give all the love of hydration on that hair with that oil sitting on the inside. And then you can blow dry and style it perfectly. And then when the hair has been dried and ready for its final products, those styling products should be oil loving, which means that oil lives on the outside and the water lives on the inside of that molecule, so that it doesn't re-wet your hair and then turns it back to whatever state it was before you start blow drying it. This is going to help support you have the best finish when you're working with your extensions, your wigs, or your weaves. So there's your 2-minute tip today, guys. Thanks. Bye-bye.